Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Tradition checking out a model, but they also build in Vero and Palm Beach. There are a lot of options to consider if you're looking for a home and community like this, some that are quick move-in and others that you have to build from scratch and wait a year. So if you're looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me directly and I'd be more than happy to help you. So here we have the Renown Model, and it's my favorite floor plan that the builder offers, and that's because it provides a lot of storage space. This home is going to give you over 2,800 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms and a den, 3.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage. When you walk into this home, you'll have a wide foyer with a linen closet and a coat closet on either side. The first guest suite is at the front of the home with its own bathroom and walk-in closet, and down the hall, there's going to be an identical suite. But when you walk through into the central living areas, you're going to see the size of the kitchen and all of that countertop space. You get a separate living and dining room with the larger L-shaped lanai. But if you want more living space under air, you can bump it out even further. And the owner suite is huge with a deep walk-in closet and another separate walk-in closet that connects to the laundry room. And in the owner suite, you can get a tub, or if you don't want one, you can make it into a larger walk-in shower. And there are a few other options, like another bathroom off from the lanai in case you want to add a pool down the line. You can get a drop zone off from the garage. You can do an entertainment package in the kitchen. And of course, you have the choice of a front porch or a bay window for the front of the house. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the construction process, they have some homes for sale that are considered quick delivery and have already started or nearly completed construction. So if you want more information about those or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many homes Tradition has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area and wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.